HOMEDEMO's manual retractable awning, 79-inch WX118H, is a solid little patio upgrade if you want shade control without wiring or motors. The Amazon listing shows it as a height and width adjustable manual crank awning built from polyester with a PU waterproof coating, an aluminum roller and iron support rods, and an extended 150 cm side rail for extra coverage. It's advertised to cut temperatures by about 2 degrees Celsius and offers UPF sun protection, so it's more than just a shade cloth. It's a useful, weather-resistant canopy for a balcony, porch, or small cafe. Installation-wise, it's practical. The awning's height adjusts from 82-inch 118, the stanchion telescopes to 3 lengths, 47, 53, 59, and the crank lets you set the angle from 0 to 90 degrees, handy when the sun moves. The frame has a powder-coated finish to resist rust, and the package includes the manual crank and the mounting hardware details you'd expect for a DIY install. Those little build details make it feel like a step up from cheap throwaway canopies. As for price and reviews, the HOMEDEMO listing is sold by HOMEDEMO on Amazon and pricing varies by seller. Comparable 118-inch retractable models on Amazon commonly list in the $70 to $110 range depending on brand and promos. Similar manual retractable awnings from peer brands typically average around 4.0 to 4.5 stars on Amazon, with reviewers praising value and shade performance while calling out assembly time and the usual need for 2 people to mount it safely. If you want the exact seller price and color options, check the product page. And yes, we share by links in description box so you can grab the model I'm showing. Bottom line, if you want a no-fuss, manual retractable awning that looks sturdy on paper and gives you flexible shade control, HOMEDEMO's 79-inch by 118-inch unit is worth considering. Just plan for a careful install and retract it in storms.